Let it rolling. If you're sitting there racking your brain, I know I gotta make videos, I just don't know what kind to make, then believe me, you're not alone. It is a tough thing to navigate. There really are infinite options when it comes to deciding on which types of videos are gonna suit your business best. However, there is one time-tested and infinitely valuable type of video that can always be shot no matter the weather. Strap in, I'm talking educational videos. And no, not the kind where you're learning about the biology of a frog or some kind of training bullshit for a new employee. The kind I'm talking about is a potent hit of pure dopamine for the potential client or customer as they feel more and more opened up to your world. You see, as consumers, we all make purchases when we feel that we can trust a business or a brand. After all, we're exchanging money for value. So any investment decision, it should be made along the fault line of trust. Now, how do you gain trust? You simply give away value before any monetary exchange has even happened. And I mean really give it away, give it all away. Share it in a big and a loud way. Because you know what? It's going to really set you apart from your competition. No one wants to do this. No one wants to just give away their secrets. I worked hard to gain this knowledge. I'm not just gonna give it away. What if the competition steals it? Well, I'm here to tell you that the competition doesn't exist as much as you think that it does. It's something that we all make up as an excuse. And in today's markets, there are so many opportunities for so many varieties of consumers, you'll literally never run out. And remember, most people aren't even in the game. So what I'm proposing here is I'd like you to try to build a healthier audience online. I'd like you to share what you know about your industry and the specific type of work that you do. You see, making educational videos about what you do will reaffirm time and time again that you are an authority in your niche. You're simply the best option. And why are you the best? How are consumers supposed to come to that conclusion? Well, they'll come to that conclusion all on their own without you even telling them, because as you slowly move that lever, you're filling them with so much confidence and trust in your knowledge that your business becomes the obvious choice. Look at some of the bigger, more international and influential Instagram and YouTube accounts in your industry specifically. What are they doing? Needless to say, a lot of the time, they're educating their audiences. Now go get inspired and start sharing that knowledge.